Hi everyone, I'm Jarendra Sakrandi. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic, that is be a warrior, not a slave, to fight the battle of life. So life is a war situation. Like in war, we should always be prepared for some surprises and unknown challenges every second. So in our lives, we face various challenges, where be it in the career, be it in relationships, goals, or any other sort for that matter. These situations will really shake us and will really shake the true strengths, and put us in a self-doubt of can we really set ourselves back on track and fight back situations. So these challenges are no different than facing an enemy in a war. If you lose your focus even for a nanosecond, you are no more in a war. Same is in the life too. So a small uh, wrong step you take with no focus will completely, I don't spoil your life or completely take your life out of your hand. So, to win this war of life, always think yourself as a warrior who never stops his fight, whatsoever may happen uh, to him or any surroundings. So a warrior never stops his fight to attain the victory. If you read any war for that matter, you'll observe that despite fellow soldiers dying, one doesn't lose his courage and focus whatsoever may happen in the fight and continues to fight the war for the greater cause. And so should we fight in the life without fear of death. Even though we may lose many things, we may lose our dear people, our dear ones, or whatsoever may happen in life. So we should keep fighting for the greater cause. And remember, death is not in our hands, but fighting with courage is definitely in our hands. So, my dear friends, it is very unfair to accept the defeat with fear even before fighting the war. I remember the great saying of a Chinese warrior, Sun Tzu, which says, every battle is won before it is fought. In this war situation, what we need is not helplessness, fear, and lack of courage. All we need is courage, the fighting spirit, and strong will to overcome this situation, and trust within ourselves, and unity within ourselves. Let's not live the life with fear. And it is not the basic nature of this gigantic creation, because fighting spirit is in your birth and creation. So it's a gift of nature to every creation that has happened in this nature. So why do you want to kill it? The gift which nature has given to you is within you. So why do you want to kill it when your basic instinct is the fighting spirit? And why do you want to kill it? So be that warrior. Train yourself to be such warrior to fight such great battle of life. Have the immense trust in you, and you have that character of a warrior because nature has gifted to everyone. My dear friends, just awaken the warrior in you. Be that warrior. Train yourself to be such a great warrior to fight this great battle of life. Have immense trust in you, and you have that character of a warrior within you. All you need to do is just awaken the warrior in you. For that, you need to do a lot of training and prepare yourself to be that great warrior. So, training yourself mentally, physically, emotionally is very much required to attain or to attain the skill or to just awaken the warrior within you. Anything can be attained with constant practice. You need to remember that you practice anything for a long time, for sure you will master it. So feel blessed to have this wonderful life as you actually are. For survival, nature has gifted you this inherent quality of a warrior for survival. It is we who is killing it. So awaken the true warrior hidden in you, and there is no good time for it. Why do you want to pretend yourself that you are weak when you are actually not? Come on, let's awaken the warrior and live life with full strength. Finally, I would like to conclude by reminding the saying of the Chinese warrior once again. Sun Tzu statement that every battle is won before it is fought. So you got to wake up the warrior within you and fight the battle and win the battle. Thank you. Jai Hind.